Wait, don't violate like that.
Hello and welcome back to another absolute banger of a video where I've been able to secure exclusive, unprecedented access to the Woodward halls at a time where it's completely empty. As always, my name is Chris Gore. I'm a 4th year medic at Imperial College London. Let's cue that intro and let's go. So as you can see, the main reception area leads directly onto the common room. It's one of the largest common rooms in all of the Imperial halls. It's very, very spacious. There's plenty of seating for that group study. It really is a perfect place to relax and unwind with your mates after a hard day's grind. Now, as you can see, there's many amenities. You have the table football, the pool table, the table tennis. It really is amazing. And of course, you have the big, bad, flat screen TV. So now adjacent to the large common room, you have the very spacious music rooms and study rooms. The music rooms themselves contain the piano and they are soundproof, so don't worry, your music won't get leaked. The study rooms are a great place to really focus on your work, and apparently the views from that at night are insane as it overlooks the lit garden. So yes, as you can see, there is an elevator, so you won't constantly be having to climb those stairs, but remember, never skip leg day. And as you can see, it's a classical layout for halls where you have your bedrooms and a shared corridor with a shared kitchen. Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Let's go. As you can see, we have a spacious penthouse apartment here in the Woodward halls. Let's start off with my favorite part, and that is the bathroom. Let's go. As you can see, we have a beautiful shower, very good pressure from what I've heard. You've got a nice sink, very modern, very luscious. One of the main things I love about this bathroom is the storage. Now look at this, just look at this storage. You've got, boom, 1, 2, and the thing is, it's all very shiny. You've got mirrors here, mirrors there, so you can always see yourself, make sure you're all looking nice and fresh. Trim's on point. Now come on here and we step into the bathroom. This is just to give you a little aspect. Look how spacious this bathroom is. That's right, me and my cameraman are in here together.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So let's go. Now, let's step out to the main side of the room, and guess what? Another mirror. Make sure that you're on point, looking fresh and fly. We've got a beautiful, luscious desk here with storage spacious. We've got 3 drawers here. We've got 4 cabinets here. And guess what? We've got a table lamp and we've got a fan to keep you nice and cool in those summer months. Also, we have a beautiful, luscious light window. It really keeps the room light in the summer, and you have a beautiful view of the upcoming $1 million developments and the Carphone warehouse. Now, if we pan to the bed, and I shit you not, this bed is so comfortable. It's so comfortable. I swear down to you guys. And one of the main things about this bed is you have 2 underground storage compartments. And by the way, it can fit a person. Don't ask me how I know that, but it can.
Okay.
Now, onto the cupboards. Again, you have more storage spaces here where you can put a little cologne set or whatever you're into, maybe some flowers if that's what you're into. Now, here we have the main drawer, and that is, look at that cupboard space for a student as well. I mean, you're going to get all the fresh garms in there, and that concludes the room tour. Hello MTV and welcome to the kitchen. That's right, we've got beautiful underhead storage here. It can literally fit inside of it. We've got overhead cabinetry right here. Let's go ahead and quickly close this up so we don't ruin the aesthetics of the video. Now, one of my favorite parts of this kitchen is the dual hob, dual oven situation. I love the fact that dual is a very, very common theme in this kitchen. You've got dual fridge freezers. Also, you've got many different drawers, storages, very nice and shiny aluminium kitchen. Now, if we go to here, one of my favorite parts is indeed the flat screen TV, baby. Hook up the FIFA, hook up the COD, and play your heart out. And also,
We have a lovely, comfortable sofa. It's so comfortable you could almost fall asleep on it. And we've got a lovely view out here of the nature that London has to offer. Many different trees, a beautiful skyline view, and a little glimpse of that graveyard. If you know, you know. So now, if we come over here, and I'll just show you one of my favorite things of this kitchen. So here we go, one of my favorite parts of the kitchen, and that is the whiteboard. That's right, you can do your drawings, bring out your inner Van Gogh, Picasso, your artistic side. It's not all about math, science, engineering here at Imperial. It's all about the beautiful art that we have to offer. Unfortunately, I wish I could sell this, but it's a lifetime of memories. Got a beautiful picture of my boy Patrick right here from SpongeBob. Bit of the actual SpongeBob himself, but this, RIP to this guy. We need to set up a GoFundMe page for this guy, because look at this. Daisy's been alone in quarantine. He's with us all in our hearts. Now, if I just show you one final thing, and that's this. This is a secret, okay? Let's keep this quiet. Look at that. Get your own Hoover, broom, and alarms. It's beautiful. What more could you ask for? Now, I'm just going to leave my cameraman in here, so I'm just going to shut that door on him.
Thank you very much for tuning in to another bang of a video. Now, I'll try to make this a bit more informative, but also quite entertaining. Now, if I manage to fit myself in there, you have to subscribe. There's no way you can leave without subscribing. So smash that subscribe button. Education Nation, over and out.
Jeez. Oh, you don't violate like that. Oh my God.
What are you doing there, James?
I'm just getting this, bro. Cut the cam. I need a story.
Jeez.